So in this video, we are still here within the Parkside Trails community built by Pulte Homes within the beautiful Clermont, Florida area. We're not done with this community yet. It has a lot of models for you to take a look at. We want to make sure we showcase that for you so you can decide what makes sense for you and your family when moving to an area just like this. But in this video in particular, we're going to be taking a look at the Mahogany Grand model, which is a two-story home model starting around the 3,100 square foot range. It can have up to 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, starting around $750,000 and on up from there. Now keep in mind, the models here are loaded with a lot of kind of fancy upgrades, so you can kind of keep that in mind, so because you're going to add a little more to that price point when you're adding features like that. But let's go ahead and take a look at what this model has to offer. Most buyers looking within the Clermont area think they need to spend a lot more money to get a home that feels truly luxurious. But today we're touring a model that might completely change your mind. And before we even step inside, there's something worth talking about, because curb appeal matters. It's the first impression every guest gets. It's what you see when you pull into the driveway after a long day, and the Mahogany Grand truly makes a statement. The architecture feels clean and modern while still giving you the timeless Florida design that buyers are looking for right now. The covered entry creates a welcoming focal point, and the overall design has much more upscale appearance than many homes in this price range. But here's the interesting part. Everything you're seeing right now is only setting the stage for what's inside. Because the moment I walked through this front door, I realized this home was much bigger than it looks from the street. And trust me, I wasn't expecting what came next. All right, so we're finally inside this beautiful Mahogany Grand model, and I must say, you are met with this nice foyer area coming in through this entryway. They have this nice long hallway that separates the entryway from the rest of the common area towards the back of the home. But I want to show you this flex space here, which a lot of these models are starting to have more and more of, right? Which I always emphasize now, that you don't know how important a flex space is until you finally have one within your home. Why? Well, if you work remotely, it could be your office space, and it just has infinite amount of possibilities and uses that you can use for these flex spaces. And I have spoken with some folks who live within this community, and they tell me that they love having a flex space within their home. So it definitely has a lot of space here in front of the home, has a lot of natural light coming in from those windows facing the front of the house as well. But moving on from here, coming down this hallway, if you take a right, you do have a bathroom space, which I believe is a half bathroom for this model. So the folks don't have to go into the other bathrooms throughout the house or upstairs to use the restroom facilities. But coming down this hallway, you do have the staircase here that goes up to the second floor, which will go up there in just a minute. Let's go ahead and take a look at this open space concept. Very spacious room, definitely the money shot for this particular model. I do like this bar that they have here on the side next to the kitchen. Has a space for maybe some wine here in your cooler or refrigerator down below. Plenty of storage space up above for glasses, and down below for any other items here. Now you do have a closet right here on this end, so plenty of storage space here as well, just across from that kitchen. But that's not the pantry. We'll show you that in just a minute. But while we're here, let's go ahead and talk about this kitchen. Plenty of space here for you and your family to gather around, and those important moments throughout the year, whether it's holidays or family get-togethers throughout the week. You have a ton of space here on this kitchen island, which is a stone countertop. You have a beautiful sink here integrated into this countertop as well. And of course, this gourmet style kitchen, you have the oven and microwave integrated into this cabinetry. And you have that gas stove here that this community offers for you and your family. And I know a lot of folks from up north are coming down here after this last winter, and they ask for gas stove and gas appliances. This community has that to offer for you, which is great. Now, the rest of this open space we'll take a look at in just a minute. I want to go ahead across the ways here and show you the pantry, which is going to be right next to the kitchen here. Plenty of space here for all your non-perishables and other items that you need to store within that pantry space. I think you can agree, there's definitely a lot of space there. Now, just on the outside of this pantry, we do have the laundry, which features a lot of space for your 2 appliances, some storage space up above, and of course, a utility sink that Pulte likes to put within their models, and it's an option that you can use for the laundry space. Now, you do have access to the 3-car garage, which I'll show you if you click here, you can see what that has to offer. But just coming back inside, you do have a closet underneath the stairwell. And I've noticed that they've been including these big spaces within their homes underneath the stairwells, taking advantage of all that space So you can add some more shelving here and have more storage space here as well, just across from that big pantry and the laundry here as well. Now, coming back into this common space area, just across the space here from this kitchen, let's take a look at the area where most of the family is going to be congregating throughout the day. You have this big space here for entertainment. You have these beautiful tray ceilings up above, plenty of space for a nice big TV on this wall, and a space to kind of divide between a formal dining area and maybe just the living space overall for this area. But let's go ahead and move towards the primary bedroom or the owner's suite for this model, which is going to be on this end of the home. And again, this is pretty much like its own wing in itself, right? Plenty of space here for your furnishings and for that king size bed. Tons of natural light coming in through the double windows facing the back of the home and the window that you have on the side of the house as well. Very, very beautiful high ceilings throughout this space and throughout the rest of the home, which is something that really opens up the spaces in general. And then you have this beautiful primary bathroom. Very spacious bathroom, 2 sink vanity here as well. You have this wonderful walk-in shower that's very spacious here also. You have a nice little area where you can sit here, a little bench that they built here for you. And then you have different options as far as shower heads go. A feature that I know a lot of folks are going to like is the closet space here towards the back of this huge primary bathroom. Plenty of space within this closet for you and your spouse to share and store all your items and your clothing for this bedroom. But let's go ahead outside of this bedroom. We're going to go across the ways from the actual family room area. We're going to take a look at these other bedrooms here. All right, so just on the other side of this living space, we just came out of that bedroom over there, which is the primary bedroom or the owner's suite. Over here, we're going to take a look at this bedroom that you have towards the back of the home. Plenty of space here as well for anyone who needs to live in this room. Enough space for a queen size bed, as you see there. A lot of natural light coming in towards the back of the home. And you have a nice standard closet for all the items for this room. Now, moving on from here, you do have a full-size bathroom here as well, which is gonna have your tub and shower combination along with the single sink vanity here for these 2 bedrooms here on this side of the home. And just outside of this bathroom, you have another bedroom, which is very spacious as well. Kind of more or less the same amount of space that we saw in the bedroom just across this small hallway. And of course, you have a nice standard closet within this bedroom also. But that's gonna do it for the first floor. Let's take a look at the backyard and see what options you have when choosing a home like this here within this community. All right, so let's take a look at what this backyard has to offer. And I must say that Pulte does not disappoint when it comes to the decorations that they put out here and the options that you can choose with them for your backyard. Like, take a look at this. You have these dual water fountains here, one right over here, one right over there, and then you have this nice kind of like a fire pit that you can use in the evenings to kind of give it a nice little vibe out here within the backyard when you're enjoying time here with family and friends. And one thing that I do like, well, I should say that I love about the options that they have to offer is the kitchenette area that they have to offer you that you can choose when you're choosing options for this home, like this one. You have a barbecue, you have a hood up there, you have a nice space to a sink to clean all the items out here, and you have maybe another refrigerator and some storage space down below. Plenty of space under this covered lanai for you to set up with your table. There's some chairs, some places to lounge, some places to create great memories with your friends and family and all your guests here within a floor plan like this one. But we're not done yet. We still have that second floor to look at, so let's go ahead and take a look at what that has to offer. All right, so let's take a look at what the second floor has to offer for this Mahogany Grand floor plan. Now, you're met with this nice loft area, which you can use this for several uses, right? You can use this as an entertainment room, maybe a movie room, a game room. The options are limitless for a space like this. But one thing that I do like about this second floor is that it has another bedroom up here. So if you have an in-law that wants kind of like their own private space, or some family members who come to visit or friends who come to visit, you have a space like this that they can go ahead and enjoy with the family. And they do have a nice private bathroom, a full-size bathroom up here that has a combination tub and shower and a single sink vanity here as well. But that's pretty much gonna do it for the tour of this Mahogany Grand floor plan. Let's go ahead and get out of here, and we'll go ahead and end this video. All right, folks, so we're all done with touring that beautiful Mahogany Grand model. Let me know what you thought about that floor plan down below within that comment section. But I think it's a great design for families who are looking for something just like this. The design itself and the layout just works. You know, it flows naturally from one space to another. It doesn't feel disconnected. It seems like every space works together. And with that layout, it looks very, very spacious, much bigger than the 3,200 square feet that it actually offers. I think you guys can agree. Let me know your opinions down below. But we're done with this tour. We're done with this video, guys. HOA and CDD for homes within this community. I'm going to leave all that information down below within that description area, along with other information for this community. If you have any questions about this community, or if you're wanting to tour houses here, or if you have any questions about moving here to the Central Florida area, anywhere here in Central Florida area, please let me know. My number is down here below. Feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to discuss things with you and your family and kind of help you with your next big move here to the beautiful state of Florida. Other than that, the other models that they have here within this community are going to be the Scarlet model and the Concord model, I should say. But I've toured those in other Pulte communities, and I can leave the links to those houses here within the screen or down below within that description area, so you guys don't miss out on those models as well. They're just going to be in a different community, but they do offer those here. But other than that, thank you guys once again for joining me on another video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next home tour.